Good afternoon and welcome to this cracker. Butterscotch pudding. Mate, this is an oldie but a goodie. Alright, preheat our ovens 180 degrees Celsius. Get ourselves an oven dish ready. Get some butter or margarine and spread it all over nice and evenly over the whole dish and put that aside ready to go. Now we want to get out 125 grams of butter, chop it up into a bowl, and you want to leave it sitting there until it gets to room temperature. Alright, while you're getting that ready at room temperature, you want to get your vanilla extract ready. You want to get 1.5 cups of self-raising flour, sift it into a small bowl and put that aside so you have that ready. You want 3/4 cup of custard sugar. You have that sitting aside ready. And a cup of brown sugar. You want to have that sitting aside ready. It's warmed up to room temperature, so the first thing we want to do is add 3/4 cup of custard sugar. And we want to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to get our electric beater and we're going to beat it up until it's all nice and pale and soft. Not very long, it doesn't take. So you just want to beat it for a minute or so till it looks like that. Put it all in. Try and get it into the middle a little bit. Alright, now we want to add 1 egg at a time and beat it. Now it's done. Beautiful, look at that. I'll make sure you can see. Okay, so now we want to pour in half the flour and we want to get 3 tablespoons of milk. Alright, fold it in. Alright, once it's almost all folded in, put the rest of your flour in and keep folding it. Squashing onto it, however way I'm going to do it. Now we want to spread it out. We spread it all over the bottom. Next thing we want to do is put our kettle on. Kettle's boiled. So now we get our brown sugar that we got ready, our cup of firmly packed brown sugar. It's a little bit difficult to work with, but we want to spread it on there as evenly as we can. Now we get 1 cup of boiling water. Now the best way to get this on, just make sure you're in camera here, is that you pour it onto a spoon so it doesn't dig into the cake mix. Alright, it hits the spoon and then rolls off. Once you can finally get it into a pour. Yeah, it's gentle on it. Just cover the whole thing. Take your time. Okay, once that's done, into the oven she goes. Maybe. Alright, I never time it, so I'll tell you in a minute exactly how long it took. Oh, it smells like memories. That's what it smells like. It smells amazing in here. Oh, yum. 35 minutes it took exactly. Oh. Oh, yum. Get some of that sauce over there. Oh, what a thing of beauty, mate. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to slab a big thing of ice cream on that. Oh, this would serve 6 easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. Definitely give us one a crack, alright? Your whole family will absolutely love it. Bye.